I'm Monae, and I will be teaching Wednesday's wellness class for our FED Summer Program 2023 here at Feed the Mass. Our FED Summer Program offers a safe space to have fun, learn about wellness, and how looking after your mind, body, and soul is important to your well-being. Every Wednesday, I will take students on a holistic journey to fuel them both physically and mentally. Our FED Summer Program is open to middle and high school students and runs from June 21st to August 4th. So come with a clear mind, a positive attitude for a fun and interactive experience. For more information and to sign up, visit www.feedthemass.org. I hope to see you in class. Peace.